Old Kingdom. During the Old Kingdom, Egypt enjoyed an age of peace and prosperity. The pharaohs held absolute power and provided a stable central government. The kingdom faced no serious threats from abroad, and successful military campaigns in foreign countries like Nubia and Libya added to its considerable economic prosperity. Over the course of the 5th and 6th dynasties, the king's wealth was steadily depleted, partially due to the huge expense of pyramid building, and his absolute power faltered in the face of the growing influence of the nobility and the priesthood that grew up around the sun god Re. After the death of the 6th dynasty's King Pepi II, who ruled for some 94 years, the Old Kingdom period ended in chaos. Middle Kingdom. Middle Kingdom Egypt pursued an aggressive foreign policy, colonizing Nubia with its rich supply of gold, ebony, ivory, and other resources. The kingdom also built diplomatic and trade relations with Syria, Palestine, and other countries, undertook building projects including military fortresses and mining quarries, and returned to pyramid building in the tradition of the Old Kingdom. The Middle Kingdom reached its peak under Amenhotep III. Its decline began under Amenhotep IV and continued under his sister and regent, Queen Sobeknefer, who is the first confirmed female ruler of Egypt and the last ruler of the 12th dynasty. During the New Kingdom, Egypt restored its control over Nubia and began military campaigns in Palestine, clashing with other powers in the area such as the Midianians and the Hittites. The country went on to establish the world's first great empire, stretching from Nubia to the Euphrates River in Asia. In addition to powerful kings such as Amenhotep I, Thutmose I, and Amenhotep III, the New Kingdom was notable for the role of royal women such as Queen Hatshepsut, who began ruling as a regent for her young stepson. He later became Thutmose III, Egypt's greatest military hero, but rose to wield all the powers of a pharaoh.